Guys, how's it going? Daniel here from District Tutorials, and today I've got our first episode which that we're going to start for District Tutorials, which is how to create a website for free, not a free domain, but a website from another website. It's really simple, really easy, and it's not going to take that long once you get used to it. So the first thing you want to do is open up a browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. Either one doesn't really matter. It's going to work on either. The domain to create a website is webs.com. This is what I used to create the webs.com website, which I used for District Tutorials, which looks like this. Now this one's really nice, I reckon, and it didn't take too long, and it's really easy to make, as you can see. And like, we're gonna start to make something like that. So let's go. So you want to start off here. If you do not have an account, which you probably don't, you go to here and you follow the steps to create websites. So as you can see here, it will ask you, like, please choose a website type. This will actually create your first website. So I'm going to go ahead and log in, and I'll come back to you. Alright, so as you can see, I've created a lot of websites. I've got pages and pages of websites that I've created for people, and ones I've just made out of nowhere. So I have a good understanding of what to use and how to do it. First thing you want to do is create a website. It's up in the top corner, as you can see here. Just go ahead and click on that, and it'll take you to a page that asks you to put in site title. This can be whatever you want. This is gonna, I think I might call my site title example website. The best thing to do is, later on it'll ask you to do a domain. Try and match your domain. So what I'm going to do is actually make one that will try and match my domain that I think won't be taken. It's alright, because later on you can change the title of your site. This is just the title that will appear when you open up your website. So I'm going to go ahead and put in Daniel's Awesome District. Now I'm probably going to delete this website afterwards, because I'm not going to use it. It's just a waste of my time, but it's for you guys to learn how to use it. But I hope you guys can create a really nice one. Here you get to choose all your themes, and there's different ones that you can choose from. There's actually more than 20. So we're going to use this one here because it looks really nice, and I think I'm going to go with that one. And down here you can have recommended pages, because you have to choose like one of these. It just gives you recommended. We're just going to make our own later on. Here you get additional pages that you can choose from that that might help your website. But we're not going to do that. We'll do that later on. So here we go, we'll create my website, and this is where it asks for your domain. You can either pay for a .com or whatever domain you want, which is about $16 per month, so $16 per month. That's in Australian money. So for free, you can just put in whatever you want. Mine, of course, was Daniel's Awesome District, and it's not taken. Oops. Make sure you get it right, otherwise you're not going to know. Yep, there we go. So as you can see, we've made some mistakes, and I'm just going to check. Awesome. Oh my god, I'm retarded. Yes, so it doesn't matter, just create my website. You can do that later on, you'll know what to do. And here's where we start building. You can start taking a tour, and it'll tell you what to do, but I'm going to pretty much clear all that in more detail than it will for you with this tutorial. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you start off. It'll ask you to let's start building, and it'll ask you to drag and drop the text. So you just hold this and drag it and drop it wherever you want. You can put it pretty much anywhere where it has the glowing boxes. So if we put it here, if we click on it, you can type in whatever you want. We're going to have it as, what is Daniel's District? We'll just call it, what is Daniel's District? You can have whatever you want, it really doesn't matter. Up here it has different bars. If you highlight it like this, like that, and you open up just the default font thing, it will give you all these different fonts. There's some really cool ones here that you can choose from. So let's choose this one here, and it'll give us, here's your bold, italic, underline, and strike through. And here you can have little pictures that go before the text. Unfortunately, you can't put them after or choose where they go. They just go before your titles. If you click the up and the minus and increase buttons, it'll obviously increase and decrease the size of your thing. This is aligned to the left, middle, and the right. So if you put it in the middle, it'll align to the middle. Of course, if you go to the right, and of course left. If you go clearing format, that will do all this stuff that we did, blah blah. As you can see, it'll do what we just customized with this bar. It will undo it. If we put in a link, it'll ask you to change the link. So if someone goes to the title, it won't come up with this thing that asks you to like that. It'll come up as a link and take you to somewhere. If you go down in here and you drag and drop text, image and text, slideshow, video, audio, button, form, or map, you just do the same. You drag and drop it and it does different stuff. So text is obviously just the smaller version of the title and it does different stuff. So as ours, we're going to do Daniel's Awesome Website. And it will give you blah blah blah. You can change the color of the text and the titles by clicking on the little A button and it'll take you to here. Going up and down with here will change the different colors, and you can go darker and smaller by doing this. Make sure you've highlighted your text, otherwise it won't look like, it won't actually do anything, as you can see. Okay, so after you've done that, it does all the same stuff, as you can see here, that the title pretty much does. If you drag and drop an image, it'll ask you to double click on an image, and you can get free images, or you can choose an image URL, or you can upload an image. If you go to image and text, it does the exact same thing, just gives you a text box under it. If you go into slideshow and you drag and drop, it'll have different images down there, and of course it will slideshow your images across, and you can change the different transitions into the thing. Video, of course, is the same as a text, just a video. You can get it from, you can either use YouTube, URL, of course, again, embed code, or my videos. It actually is premium, so you can't actually get your own videos. You have to have premium to get your own videos. So if you go into audio, you can put your own music on the website. So if we go upload audio, as you can see here, it will ask to upload a file, which we're going to do. So we'll head over to our desktop where I have most of my music, and we're just going to find music right here. Where is it? Lost you. Here. And choose a song. So I think I'm going to grab the song. What song? We'll get this one. I Need Your Love. Now that will take a little while to upload, so once it's done, I'll come back to it. Alright, so my audio has uploaded, and now we can actually play our audio and like when we published our site. Alright, so if you go over to form or button, buttons are a good one to use if you're trying to put a file onto there, because you can actually link it to a file so someone can download it. We can take you to pages, your pages like a website, email, or what I use it for to make it so someone can download something. We'll make it so they can download our song. We'll just say download song. So it will now be so they download the song above. Now for concluding the end of this video tutorial for the first episode of this tutorial on how to make a website, we go over to the top corner on the green button. It says publish site. Click on the publish site. It will start to publish your site and it will process. You can click this link here to show you what the website looks like. As you can see, it has not yet been published, it says. So we just need to go over to the URL, Daniel's Awesome District.webs.com. I think I spelled it right. I'm not sure. No, I didn't. I have no idea. But that won't matter because we can just do this. Daniel's Awesome District.webs.com. And it has not been published yet. Log in here, blah, blah. You just give it some time and it will publish. Don't worry about it. So next video it should be published and we will conclude that with the end of the video. I am Daniel, and as always, make sure to like and subscribe, do all that kind of stuff, fancy stuff to help us out, and we will try to help you. See you guys next time. Peace.